Hey, we have another Zippo here. The one that we're looking at today is the 8-bolt design. And let's open this up. On top of the case, we get the usual Zippo info paper. It basically teaches you how to refuel and has warranty and stuff. Underneath the lighter, we get the standard congratulations card from Zippo. Taking a quick look at our Zippo, it's another matte finish body, and it's pretty much just black throughout. The design of this one is pretty simple, just a number 8 with a white circle on the lower right. Then the rest of the black finish completes the full body of the 8-bolt from the billiards. And here's what the bottom looks like. It's made in USA, 22 for 2022, and I believe I is for September. And let's take a look inside. Taking a quick look at the insert, it's made in 2022, and it's pretty much the same insert as any other ones. Nothing really to take note of. The inner side of the case looks okay, just some spray paint over it, but overall looks fine. The Sparks wheel works fine, and all is just good. The design is simple, and I just like the look of it overall. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.